table, and the person who was playing with the toy was very disappointed because of some reasons.
One's reality is others' dream. Second thing, what I understood, on this planet we are connected to each other in one or other way.
Interconnectedness, very deep philosophy.
Advancement of life, how life started, like it's from ancient to modernization, development, technology, simplicity to luxury, hard-working, initiative, like the girl who was working upon that village scene she had made, and the child who was sitting in front of that pool and is lethargic, sleeping. It is all about what is global warming is affected because of the automobiles, more of automobiles over there. So I think so it is all about how we can keep environment free from pollution and all. And so these are the things which came into my mind seeing all these pictures.
We often miss until we really take a deeper look.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have in this clip, I think the best rooted is exploration and discovery.
Okay.
As we go, when we are going in the reverse order, first we saw the earth, the universe, the earth, and way back. So as we enlarge the things, we see more and more things from near. So the most important thing was the universe, then the earth, then us, then the helicopter, and so on. And so I just think that the exploration discovery is related to this, and I just want to say something more. Maybe it's not related to it, but experience. There was one teacher with us who just explained me this story. I have seen it.
कि ये काल है और उसके बाद में किस तरह से घटनाएं घटती गई, उनको देखते देखते हम घटनाओं में और घटनाएं एक यात्री की तरह हमने इस चीज को देखा जी, और आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते हम कहाँ तक पहुँच गए, ब्लैक होल तक पहुँच गए थे। ये जो यात्राएं थी ये हमारे जीवन में किस तरह से बताती कि एक जो बच्चा है वो कैसे खिलौने के लिए कर रहा है और किस तरह से घटनाएं घटती हैं, वो हमें इससे बहुत सुंदर लगा। बहुत ही बढ़िया जानकारी इसके साथ में मिली कि हम एक शुरू में किस चीज़ को देखते हैं और कहाँ कहाँ कल्पनाएं बनते बनते वो कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं, वो जो दृश्य थे बहुत अद्भुत।
Thank you so much, ma'am.